We're live on the Facebook page of Basketballista. It's San Beda versus Perpetual. First position of San Beda, Gumangan. Looking for Aldaba. Aldaba now. And pass to Gumangan, drive, escape. Nice move. In and out. One on number 3. Foul. Who's fouled? Foul on number 28 on Perpetual. First team foul on Perpetual. First personal foul on Sabana. This is our first game, first match. For our NCAA Season 4 by Basketballista. Rivera. Looking for penetrante. Pass to Gapak. Gapak. And shoot. Rivera. Escape. Steal. Penetrante. How? Number 3. On Del Rosario. First on Del Rosario. First team foul, San Beda. 23.
Ancheta.
First on Ancheta. First on Ancheta. First basket, first shot on Penetrante. Two one. It's 1 point lead on Perpetual. Nice move, nice drive, coast to coast, short. Now Gapak. Deng. In and out. Now Aldaba. Try. Oh! Basket count and 1 on Aldaba. Foul on number 28 on Perpetual. Second team foul, Perpetual. Second personal foul on Tambano. 4-2. 2-point lead, San Beda. Now Gapak. Pass to Deng. Deng. And to shoot. 5. Yes on Deng. For all. 8 minutes and 15 seconds. Aldaba. Now drive. Aldaba goes to go short. Ibon by Deng. Aldaba again. It's Perpetual ball. Perpetual. 8 minutes. For all. Deng. Gapak. Penetrante. Traveling variation. Nice defense on San Beda. It's 7 minutes and 48 seconds. Our score for all. Now Aldaba. Umangan. First basket. Too strong. Rebound on Gapak. Gapak. Too strong again. Rebound. Perpetual. Black. Steal by Aldaba. San Beda ball. 7 minutes and 20 seconds. Steelers score 4 all. And we're live on the Facebook page by Basketballista. Aldaba again. Aldaba. Galit by Gapak. Gumangan. Safe spot. Del Rosario. Yes! On Del Rosario. 6-4. It's 2-point lead on San Beda. Now, penetrante. Drive. It's per out, San Beda ball. It's 6 minutes and 43 seconds. This is just our first game, opening match on NCNCA. Ay basketballista. Pass outside. 14 to shoot. Del Rosario. Now, Gumbangan. Second shot. Short again. Del Rosario. Block. Gumbangan. Steal on Gapak. Now, Gapak. 1-1. Drive, Gapak. Nice defense. Oh! Ano mo ba Gapak now? 6 all. In and out. Rivera. To Deng. Deng now. To Gapak. 14 to shoot. 14. Rivera. Foul. Foul on number 23 on Sabera.
Ancheta.
First on Ancheta. Second on Ancheta.
Second team foul.
Second team foul on San Beda. It's 6 all. 5 minutes and 48 seconds. This is our opening game, opening match for our NCAA Season 4 by Basketballista. Rivera. Short. Violation, ball, violation.
Yung 50, nagsabi sa ano daw niya, raise yung tira kasi ito na. Saka na lang yan pag nandito sila, no?
Aldaba. Short. Steal on Gumangan. Nice pass! Whoa! Great pass and move from Ancheta. Now 8-6. 2-point lead San Beda. Penetrante. Whoa! Veteran move coming from Penetrante. It's 8 all. Now Del Rosario again. Del Rosario looking for the point guard. Drive. Nice move. Foul. Foul on number 20 on Deng. 13 foul on Perpetual.
Deng first.
First personal foul against Deng. It's 8 all. 5 minutes and 9 seconds. Now 9-8 change favor. Favor now at San Beda.
I'm here, huh?
10-8. It's 2-point lead now. San Beda. Rivera. Stop up. Too strong. Rebound again on Gumangan. Nice move. Pow! Foul on number 28 on Sabano. Warning for penalty on Perpetual. Warning for penalty.
Sabano, third personal.
Third personal foul against Sabano. Counted. 11-8. Tap, Rivera. Now Rivera setting a play. Rivera drive, pass downside, then too strong again, rebound on Del Rosario. Number 5.
Viloria.
5-second violation against Viloria. It's 4 minutes and 26 seconds. First quarter. First game. San Beda against Perpetual. Gapak steal on Del Rosario. Gumangan. It's 2-1. Aldaba. Aldaba left-handed drive on Aldaba. Now 13-8. 5-point lead now. San Beda. 4 minutes. Deng.
Aywa.
Rebound again on Del Rosario. Steal, Rivera. Aldaba, it's 3-on-2. Aldaba, coast to coast, Aldaba. Yes, on Aldaba. It's 6:15-8. 7-point lead now, San Beda. Now Deng. Gapak.
Nice one. Last kamay.
Still again on San Beda. It's 3 minutes and 20 seconds. Del Rosario, gumangan. Now, Del Rosario. Short!
Rosario, Del Rosario.
Nice one.
Del Rosario, dalawa. Steal again, right? Aldaba, gumangan. Foul!
Time out, sir.
Foul on Rivera. Time out! On Perpetual. Now Perpetual on penalty.
Dalawang gundo sa rayo, 23 seconds.
Del Rosario.
Araw sa rayo, hindi sa rayo. Sundot eh.
And our official referee for today is referee Joe Wong and referee Manuel.
Ancheta. Ancheta.
Number?
23.
Ang check ang ready.
Del Rosario 3.
Penalty ref, penalty.
Nandito pa siya. Nandito siya low break.
3 minutes and 3 seconds. It's 8 against 15. Favor of San Beda. Now 16 to 8. 8-point lead on San Beda. Turnover again on Perpetual. Back-to-back turnover against Perpetual. Now Aldaba, guard by Gapak. He's still by Gapak. Yes, on Gapak, now 10 against 16. Aldaba, guarded again by Gapak, Kunluan, Aldaba. Gumangan, move, nice pass. In and out top. Rebound on. Now Deng.
Cutter.
Deng. Looking for Rivera. Rivera again. Pass. In and out. Rebound by Beloria. Gapak. Gapak again. Foul.
Number 5.
Foul on number 5.
Viloria.
On Beloria.
Viloria first.
First personal foul against Beloria. Third on San Beda. 2 minutes, 11 seconds. Only 6-point lead. San Beda, it's 60 against 10. Short. Kapak again. Block. Kapak. Too strong. Rebound on Beloria. Beloria to Aldaba. Same ball. 2 minutes. Del Rosario. Now Aldaba, 14 to shoot. Too strong. Rebound by Beloria. 5 to shoot. Shot clock violation, 24. It's 1 minute, 31 seconds.
Gatag na yung uniform. Sunod ng... Gawa ka nalang kwarta eh.
Pwede i-transfer ko lang siya?
Transfer na lang yan sa...
1 minute and 20.
Coach. Gaya. Baba. Lakay. Ikot pa sa pakisod.
14 to shoot. Gapak. 1 minute. Deng. Too strong. Rebound. On Del Rosario.
Transfer by
Just transfer.
give money. Okay, give one. Low.
De Rivera, 49 seconds. Foul. Foul again on number 23. Warning for penalty on Salveda.
Yun lang. Patay oras na lang. Alaga muna.
Third personal foul on Ancheta. 44 seconds.
First pa lang nagkakita.
Now 11-16. 5-point lead now Salveda. Del Rosario. Aldaba. Same ball. 35 seconds. 35. 16 to shoot. Gumangan. Favorite shot. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Gumangan. 19-11. 25 seconds.
Last shot yan ha. Depensa.
Rivera. Foul! Basket count and one by Rivera.
Ano number yan?
Now both teams and penalty. 15 seconds, 15.
Last shot ha. Hey!
14 seconds. Ten. Whoa! What a great move. Now 21 to 13. 4 seconds.
Depensa.
Foul. Penalty direct. Foul left. Foul on Gumangan. Penalty. First on Gumangan. No timeout. No time left. No time. Penalty. Two free throw shot given by Deng.
Wala eh. Ikaw, mas mauna pa kayo sa yung dalawa.
Wala sobra. Wala sobra dyan.
Dito na, supra.
Ha? Kunin mo pa isa doon. Gamit ko muna.
Our score now, 15 against 21. Second quarter ready. It's Salveda ball, Salveda. Salveda. Siya nauna. It's perpetual ball, perpetual. Perpetual ball, perpetual.
Uy, nandito ka.
Hey!
Foul. Foul on number 7 on Lorenzo. First against Lorenzo.
Dalawang 7.
First team foul, Salveda.
Lorenzo at saka Aldaba.
Now Lapiceros. Short. It's Salveda ball, Salveda. Our score, 21 against 15.
Basketball star yan.
Go. Bang! 2 points on Mabia, top 23. Against the 15, it's 8-point lead, Salveda.
Easy ha, depensa.
Lapiceros.
Nice one, nice D. Gilid, oy, traveling.
Traveling violation on Perpetual. It's 23 against 15. 8-point lead on San Beda. Kuho. Steal again. 5. Now 5. Lapiseros. Move. Lapiseros, strong move. In and out. Ball again on San Beda. It's 8 minutes and 20 seconds. Kuho. Nice pass outside. Black. 14 to shoot. 10. 5 to shoot. 3-second violation on San Beda. 8 minutes.
Nice step. Oy, score tayo. Ano pre? Kaya pa.
Now, Lapiseros. 5. Too strong. Rebound again, Lapiseros. Bang! Wanna move now. 17-23. Nice shot by Abinido. Now, Kuho. Too strong. Rebound again. On Perpetual. 5.
Ayan.
Short. Mambinay na, favorite shot. Yes, Mambinay na 25-17. It's 18-point lead now on San Beda. Lapiseros.
Defense. Nice D.
Short. Oh, technical foul. Technical foul on number 19. On this shooting. 2-point through shot, technical foul on Lapiseros. Seven minutes and 6 seconds. 25 against 17. 8-point lead, San Beda. Lapiseros. Foul. Foul on number 15 on San Beda. Second team foul on San Beda. First,
Abisanes.
on Abisanes.
Ilan pa tayo pang namin, ma'am?
Isa lang po.
Gamitin yung timeout nyo, ha? Gamitin nyo. Every quarter kasi din na yung fourth quarter, dalawa.
Okay. Sige po. Gamitin ko na yun, ma'am.
18-25. 7-point lead now, San Beda.
Lute, ano tayo, ha?
Now, Kuho. Favorite shot again. Short. 5. Lapiseros. All the way, move Lapiseros. Domingo. Now, Sunday, Domingo. Now, Kuho. Too strong.
Bing bang.
Again, in out. Foul. Oh, troubling violation. Nice defense on 5. Now 6 minutes and 30 seconds. We're live and alive on the Facebook page at Basketballista. It's 25-18. Now Lapiseros. Too strong. Seba foul. Foul on number 15.
Perpetual.
13 foul on San Beda. Still 7-point lead on San Beda. It's 18 against 25. Lapiseros. Steal by Kuho. It's 3-on-1. Kuho. Foul. Foul on number 5 on 5. First on 5. First team foul, Perpetual. Basket timeout, ref. Basket timeout.
Nice one.
Lapiseros. 5 minutes and 50 seconds.
Walang suso, walang suso.
Now Lapicero escape. Drive. Oh! Too strong. Rebound by 5. Take 5. 14 to shoot. 14. 3-second violation on Perpetual. Nice defense on San Beda. It's 5 minutes and 30 seconds. Now Kuho. Oh! Almost out by Domingo. Now 27-18. It's 9-point lead San Beda.
Walang sundot ha. Body stop lang. Nice D.
14 to shoot. 14. It's 5 minutes. Single. Too strong.
Nice one.
Rebound on San Beda. It's 4 minutes and 50 seconds. Short.
Nakadon to pero.
Lapiceros again. Foul. Foul on number 8 on Domingo. Warning for penalty on San Beda. Rep, time out, rep. Time out on San Beda.
Hinga.
It's 4 minutes and 36 seconds. 27. San Beda at 18. Perpetual. And our official referee for today is referee Joel and referee Manuel.
Ako ay Linda. Para alit na yung pagkulat.
4 minutes and 36 seconds.
Timbang.
Now 19 to 27. Back to 8-point lead. And San Beda, it's 4 minutes and 30. Kuho.
Shooter. Play. Tira.
Nice guy. Still by Seba. Steve by Kuho. Domingo. Traveling violation again. Traveling violation. Now 4 minutes. 27-19. Cinco. Lapiceros. Short. Seba. Now go. Same ball. 14 na set sa clock 14.
Yeah. Laga.
10 to shoot.
Oh, sure.
Go.
Easy.
It's San Beda ball. San Beda.
Relax nyo. Screenan nyo sa taas ni Pedro.
Now, Kuho. Bang! One again, shot again by Mabingay. Now, 29
29.
against 19. Single. Black by Maginay. Lorenzo.
Good.
Now, Kuho. 31-19 now. 12-point lead on San Beda. 3 minutes. This is just our first game for opening game.
Walang sundot.
Lapiceros.
Nice D.
Foul. Time out on Perpetual. Now San Beda in penalty. 2 minutes and 50 seconds. It's 12-point lead San Beda. Two free throw shots.
Bang bang.
20 to 31. 20 to 31.
Lakay, pwesto ka na tan. Lakay. Lakay, pwesto.
Now 21 to 31. 10-point lead San Beda.
Screen, screen.
Now Kuho.
Screen, lakay.
Steal by Seba. 2 minutes and 27 seconds.
Lakay, gilid mo lang. Sa gilid tayo magsimula ng play. Gilid, gilid yung pasa.
Kuho.
Pojo, wala ka ng pojo. Wala lang ikaw.
Now Domingo. 14 to shoot. Wow. Turnover. Last 2 minutes. 2 minutes. 31 to 21. Only 10-point lead on San Beda. Lapiceros.
Huwag sundot ha. Huwag sundot.
Ding dong.
Bang! On Lapiceros down 23 to 31. Steal by Lapiceros. Steal again. Lapiceros. 5.
Sundot.
Yes, now 25 to 31. It's only 6-point lead on San Beda.
Abante na! Ay, wag nang tingnan! Wag nang tingnan!
Kuho. In and out. 5. Now Lapiceros. Yes, now 27 to 31. 1 minute.
Wala. Mamaya na, mamaya. Relax din na. Patay oras.
4-point lead now, San Beda. Kuho, 14 to shoot. Foul. Foul on number 6 on Seba. Second team foul, perpetual. It's 43 seconds, 43.
Defense, defense!
10 seconds. Yes! On Sunday, Domingo, 30 seconds.
Sige lang!
Nice D. Hey, nice.
Hey!
Patay oras.
21 seconds, 21.
Relax lang. Malayo pa yung oras. Last shot. Last shot, bro. Last 10 seconds.
15.
Open shot ha.
Huwag mong iwan yan! Huwag mong iwan yan!
10.
Grabe, Leng! Ay!
Struggling manage in 7 seconds, 7.
7 seconds!
5 seconds. Air ball.
Wag na.
And now for second quarter score, it's 33 to 27, favor of San Beda. Third quarter ready, third quarter.
Nasaan yung isang tubig mo? Yun na lang.
Ito.
Sa'yo?
It's perpetual ball, perpetual. Tumong Banwa. Bang! Tumong Banwa. 31 to 29, 33 to 39. It's 4-point lead, San Beda.
Nice one, Lakay.
Bang, bang, bang! On Batulan.
Nice one.
Steal again by Del Rosario.
Ikot.
Del Rosario goes on Del Rosario now 38 to 29. Back to 9-point lead on San Beda. Lau. Setting a play to Tumong Banwa. Favorite shot. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, Tumong Banwa. It's 38 to 32. 6-point lead San Beda. Concepcion.
Nice one.
Steal again. It's same ball. 14 to shoot. 14. Concepcion. It's turnover against San Beda. 38 to 32 our score. 6-point lead San Beda. 8 minutes and 30 seconds. Bowling muna ba? Tulaw. Kilab. The great Kilab. Nice pass outside. One. In and out. Iba na Muneba again. Pick. Foul. Foul again on number 23. Oh, Nancheta. First team foul, San Beda. Third personal foul on Nancheta. Lau to Muneba. Drive. Foul. Foul on number 6, Concepcion. First personal foul against Concepcion. Second team foul on San Beda. It's 8 minutes, 14 to shoot. Lau. Drive. Nice pass to Muneba. Guarded by Del Rosario. Kilab, 10 to shoot. In and out, top. San Beda ball. Nice defense on purpose. On San Beda. 38 to 32. 6-point lead San Beda. Top. Kilab. To Lau. Muneba again. Black. Foul. Foul on number 22. On Batulan. 13 fouls San Beda. First personal foul on Batulan. Short. 7 minutes and 21 seconds. 38 against the 32. San Beda. Now 38 to 33. Concepcion. To Del Rosario. Batulan. Air ball. Again, in and out. Rebound on Muneba. Now Hermoso now. Hermoso looking for Tumong Banwa. Save spot. Too strong. Kilab. Big. Wow! Ano mo by Kilab now? 35 to 38. 3-point lead San Beda. The beat. Adin by Tumong Banwa. Del Rosario. 14 to shoot. 14. Concepcion. Now Ancheta. Pag-isip 10. Too strong. Muneba. Same ball. 14 to set shot clock. 14. Concepcion. Drive. Nice pass outside. Troubling violation. 6 minutes.
Bawi tayo, depensa.
Now Lau. Hermoso. Muneba. 10 to shoot. Kilab. Short. Top. Nice defense on San Beda. Now, Ancheta. Steal by Lau. Lau. Muneva, short. Ancheta again, rebound. Ancheta. Now, Del Rosario. Coast to coast. Nice pass downside. Batulan. Short. Rebound on Tubong Panwa. Lau. Foul. Foul on number 30 on the beat. Warning for penalty on San Beda. It's 5 minutes, 19 seconds. This is our first game, first match for our NCAA Season 4 by Basketballista. Now 36 to 38, 2-point lead on San Beda. Gil Rosario, guarded by Hermoso. Concepcion, Batulan, too strong, rebound on Del Rosario again. Del Rosario, again in and out. Del Rosario, same spot, foul. Foul on number 9 on Kilab.
Kilab first.
First personal foul on Kilab. First team foul on Perpetual. It's 4 minutes and 53 seconds. Now to Bumbanwa, guarded by Concepcion. Steal by Ancheta. Ancheta guarded by Lau. Now Ancheta, Concepcion. Short. To Bumbanwa. Muneva. Yo! Inanataw, Lau. Kilab. Muneva. Yes on Muneva. Now 38 all. Stepping on the line on Batulan. Time out on Perpetual. It's 38 all. 4 minutes and 23 seconds. This is our first game, first match for our opening match. It's Perpetual versus San Beda. Four minutes and 23 seconds. $38 all, 38. Inbounding Muneva. Hermoso block. Kuha na gate block. Coming for Mancheta. It's 10 to shoot. 10. Lau. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, Lau. Now 41 to 38. 3-point lead on Perpetual. David. Nice pass. Ancheta. Oh, what a great move by Ancheta. Now 41 to 40. 4-point lead by Perpetual. Hermoso. Muneva. Bang! Time out! On Perpetual. It's 44 against 40. 3-4-point lead, Perpetual.
Yung kuan, yung nakalaro na. Yung nakalaro na, pwede palitan yung nakalaro na. Yung nakalaro na, pwede palitan yung nakalaro na. Usually yung nakalaro sa inyo, yung pwede palitan. Di Rosario, yan. Yung sila Batulan, huwag mong palitan kasi di na nakalaro yan.
3 minutes and 29 seconds.
Yung nakalaro sir, pwede nyo palitan. Yung hindi pa nakalaro, huwag nyo palitan.
Three minutes and 29 seconds. This is our first game. Our opening match is between Perpetual San Beda. Now San Beda. Concepcion, 14 to shoot. Matulan. Kani pa Hermoso.
Same ball.
5 to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Top. Now Muneva. Power fly. Muneva now 46 to 40. 6-point lead San Beda. Ancheta. Del Rosario drive to the post. Foul. Foul on number 26. On Lau. Second team foul Perpetual. First personal foul against Lau.
Kita mo natin shooter rin. Kasi, wala ba ilang...
2 minutes and 41 seconds. It's San Beda versus Perpetual, and we're live and alive on the Facebook page of Basketballista. 46 against the 40.
Sandal no invite daw.
Yakin, Joe.
Now 41 to 46, back to 5-point lead on Perpetual. Now Hermoso. Looking for Muneva. Same spot. Too strong. Top. Rebound to Bumbanwa. Now Muneva. Drive. Open the block. Foul. Foul on number 3 on Del Rosario. Penalty.
Sorry, second person.
Second personal foul against Del Rosario. It's 2 minutes and 15 seconds. Now 47-41. It's 6-point lead on Perpetual. Ancheta. 2 minutes. David. Paano si Rosario? 14 to shoot. 10. Steal by Hermoso. Hermoso now, 4 on 2. Tumumbanwa. Back to Hermoso. Nice pass. Hermoso again. Yes, and Hermoso now 49 to 41. It's 8-point lead on Perpetual. Now Concepcion to David. David.
Ay, labas ka!
Concepcion.
Labas ka!
10 to shoot.
3 seconds ka dyan!
3-second violation on Ancheta. Now 1 minute and 10 seconds.
Nanood na ka.
It's 8.80 run against Perpetual. 49 against 41. Now Hermoso. Tubungban mo. Back to Hermoso. Drive. To Kilab. Kilab. Bang! Kilab! 50 seconds. 41 to 51. Concepcion. Looking for David. David. Drive. Foul. All again on number 35 on Hermoso. 13 foul on Perpetual.
Hermoso first.
2 free throw shot coming from David. 38 seconds. Basket substitution there. Basket substitution. 42 to 51. Basket substitution. Sabrep. 43 to 51.
Yung nakalaro na. 13 lang sila, 13.
Last shot.
30 seconds. 14 to shoot. 10 seconds. Foul. Foul on number 6 on Concepcion. First personal foul against Concepcion. Now, San Beda and penalty.
Conception second.
Oh, second personal foul on Concepcion. 18 seconds, 18. Now, 52-43, 18 seconds.
Ikot mo kung ano, pwede.
10 seconds.
Pwede na tira.
Foul. Foul on Hermoso. Warning for penalty on Perpetual.
Nadali.
Hindi naman sinasadya. Hermoso second person.
Second personal foul against Hermoso.
Warning penalty. Hindi naman sinasadya.
Overextended knee. No opera.
Sorry.
Stay na kayo, stay. Okay. Stay na.
5 seconds, 5 seconds.
5 seconds na lang, 5 seconds.
Ice down. Mike.
Yan. Ayos yan. Ikuan mo.
44.
Ikuan mo. Ikuan mo ice. Ice pa, ice yan.
5 seconds, 5. $45-52. 7-point lead. Oh, still. 3 seconds, 3. Only 7-point lead, Perpetual. 3 seconds.
Sama-sama muna kayo, pre.
And now for third quarter our score. It's 52 against 45. Perpetual. Last quarter.
Sino yung nag-glass? Mama ni Uno? No? Hindi, iba yan.
Yung babae.
Oh, nag-glass? Di yan Mama ni Uno?
Ito yung kilala.
Di yan yung Mama ni Uno? Mama ni Uno? Kaya yung Mama ni Uno?
Hindi.
Last quarter.
Kuya Mike, ilan ba tayo mga kami?
Lord.
Hey! Bro!
And we're live on the Facebook page of Basketballista. It's San Beda versus Perpetual. Gumbangan. Short. Now go. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On go! 48-52. It's 4-point lead now on Perpetual. Rapaceros. Pinitante. Back to Rapaceros. 14 to shoot. Whoa! 54 to 48. Nice shot coming from Lusana.
Depensa tayo, depensa.
Steal by Lapiceros. Penitante. Oh! Block! Foul! Basket count and one on Moldova. It's 56 against 48. Who's for that? Foul on number 19. On Maginay. First sa Maginay. First team foul, San Beda. Ibabay ko, foul! Foul on number 30 on Rivera. Block. Moneva. Our score is 56 against the 48. 8-point lead on Perpetual.
Kurang mo. Ito mo kontrol niyo. Kurang mo. Anong kurang mo?
58.
10 to shoot.
56.
Huh?
56. 48.
Foul. Foul on 3-0.
Sino mo 13?
On Rivera. Second team foul, Perpetual.
Sino? Kaya la Rivera.
Now 49 to 56, back to 7-point lead on Perpetual. It's 8 minutes
Rivera 30.
and 16 seconds for our last quarter.
Rivera 30. 1.
Rebound on Muneba. Foul. Foul on number 10 on Kuho. Second team foul on San Beda.
Kaya lang kuho, sabihin mo.
First na.
First personal foul against Kuho.
Ano na rin, sorry.
Now Lapiceros. 8 minutes. Running collision on Rivera. It's 7 minutes and 55 seconds. 56 against the 49. It's 7-point lead. Perpetual.
Doon ka sa doon. Sir, doon ka.
Gumangan. Got it by 14 to shoot. Gumangan drive. Nice pass outside. Bang! Now 51 to 56. 5-point lead on Perpetual. It's 7 minutes and 20. Lapiceros. Penitante. Drive. Steal. Penitante. Now Sandela. Gumangan. It's 3 on 2. Gumangan drive to Koho. Koho pay. Intercepted by Lapiceros. Lapiceros. 3 on 3. Lapiceros to Penetrante. 58 to 51. It's 11-point lead on Perpetual. Gumangan. It's Dolly by 2. Gumangan now. Pow! Time out on San Beda. Foul on Penetrante. 13 foul on Perpetual. First personal foul on Penetrante.
Sino nag-time out?
Screen tayo, screen.
It's 58 against the 51. 7-point lead on Perpetual.
San Beda.
And our next game will be Litran versus Mapua. Six minutes and 52 seconds. Last quarter.
Tatlo, dalawa pa.
Now Kuho. On drive. Kuho goes to coast. In and out. Short again. Rebound on Gumangan. Nice steal. Turnover again on Perpetual.
Stop kami pag may foul.
6 minutes and 20. Short. Reboundan mo na ba?
San.
Yes! John Rivera, now 60. Against the 51. Go! Foul! Bang! Basket count and 1 against Go. 72 Sir up. Foul on number 30 on Rivera. Warning for penalty on Perpetual.
Rivera second personal.
Second personal foul against Rivera. Bonus free throw, Go. Now 60 against the 53. 7-point lead on Perpetual. Now Lapiceros. Deng. Sabi to sa rep.
Chill. Depensa, bawi, depensa. Challenge sa.
Pre, diretso na pag kaya, pre.
Tira ko.
Punta yung music ko doon. Si Ama doon. Punta mo dito, Jersey. Anong gagawin? Punta mo dito. Sige lang.
Ay, sayang.
Ayun na.
Wala kung ano. Ay, number ka?
Muneva. 5 minutes. Oh, Muneva, 862 against the 53. Go. Pow. Sabrap, substitution. Now Perpetual and penalty. 4 minutes and 47 seconds.
Championship. Sabihin ng puntahan ko.
Yan lang din naman sinasagot kung Yemes ka.
Baba.
Deng.
Sakay. Baba na. Set ka lang. Table ka lang. Yan.
14 to shoot.
Nice shot.
Nice. Sige lang, baba.
Baba.
Sabihin ng puntahan dito. Wala kami ginagawa dyan.
Go.
Tira.
Aldama, shoot. Top. Now Pinitante.
Nice, pre.
Gapak.
Okay.
Benediction traveling. It's 4 minutes. 4 minutes.
Daan mo bisa. Bisa mo.
Bang! On Coho, 56 to 62. Pinitante. Foul. Foul on number 3. Substitution left, sub rep. Now 13 foul on San Beda.
Sige. Kapre. Isa lang. Dito. George, sa George.
63 to 56.
Babala. Lakay. Counted.
Foul. Sub rep, sub. Penalty Terep.
Tumatawa si Sirek. Sakali lang yun.
Now 57-63, 3 minutes and 45 seconds.
63. 57.
Short. Now, gumawa ngayon. 14 is set clock, 14. Foul. Warning for penalty on San Beda. Substitution rep, perpetual. Penalty rep, penalty.
Jumong! Sunugin pa.
Penalty rep, penalty.
Tell them, ask who's Litran Basilio. Oh, tell them. No, 1-5. 1-5.
I'm calling you, you're not answering. Sure.
58-63.
Tell them who's asking Litran and also Mapuwa. You tell me. Tell him that.
Umangan.
59 against 63. Substitution rep, sub rep.
Wala.
4-point lead now on perpetual. Bigay rep, bigay rep.
Upo tayo, coach lang dito, coach lang. Pre, ano lang? Upo tayo, coach lang dito, coach lang. Upo tayo. Upo tayo, sir. Coach lang dito. Technical ko kayo. Coach lang dito.
Upo kayo. Foul! Nice.
Foul.
Shoot mo, bro. Shoot mo. Penalty tayo. Wala foul.
Foul on number 8. 28 on Lao. On Tubong Banwa.
First.
First on Tubong Banwa. Penalty. Now 60-63. 3-point lead perpetual. Now 61-63.
Screen, pre.
Lapiceros, 3 minutes.
Screen.
14 to shoot. Short. Lapiceros, low. 14 is set clock, 14. Foul.
Dalawa.
Sub rep. Foul on Aldaba. Warning for penalty on San Beda. 2 minutes and 46 seconds.
Aldaba second.
Second personal foul against Aldaba. It's 2 minutes and 46 seconds.
Talon.
Our next game will be Mapua against Litran.
Balik.
64-61. Kuho. Aldaba. Short.
Hatin.
Muneba. Foul.
Nice one.
Penalty na.
Penalty, pre. Upo kayo.
Now both teams send penalty. Foul on Aldaba. 13 foul. Who's foul rep? Who's foul? 7.
Lorenzo.
Oh, Lorenzo. 13 foul. Oh, both teams now penalty. 2 minutes and 23 seconds.
Aldaba third personal foul.
65-61.
Depensa tayo. Kunin yung shooter, ha. Easy points muna tayo. Piso.
66 against the 61. 5-point lead perpetual. Kuho.
Lapit.
In and out. Lapiceros.
Mabingay.
Foul.
Penalty.
All on number 5.
5.
Substitution depth on 5.
5 second personal foul.
Second personal foul on 5. Bigay bola rep.
Madali, lamang naman.
2 minutes and 15 seconds. Now 62 to 66. Next game, Willie Mapua versus Intran.
Tatlo lang.
63 against 66. Lau. Again by Gumangan. 14 to shoot. Oh, nice defense on San Pedro. 2 minutes. 2 minutes.
Reserve timeout kami, sir. Mag-timeout lang.
Depensa tayo, depensa.
Koho. Aldaba.
Nice. Pasok na yan.
Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Time out! On perpetual is 66 all. 1 minute and 51 seconds. It's 66 all. 1 minute and 51 seconds. And our next game, it's Mapua versus Litran. Mapua, kunin yung jersey nyo, Mapua. Twenty-four. It's 1 minute and 51 seconds. It's 66 all. This is our first game. Our first match. Now, Lau. Muneva.
Ay, putang ina kayo.
Technical foul on perpetual for delaying the game. It's 6 on the field. 6 players inside the court. Technical foul on perpetual. Technical foul on perpetual for delaying the game. One minute and 44 seconds. It's perpetual ball, perpetual ball.
Time out nila.
Position, perpetual.
Hindi pumasok.
Hermoso. Two Lapiceros.
Escan, high pack.
14 to shoot. Foul. Foul on number 7 on Aldaba. Penalty. It's 1 minute and 32 seconds. 66 all.
Isa lang dong.
Third personal foul on Aldaba. 1 minute and 32 seconds. This is just our first game, our opening game for our NCA. Season 4 by Basketballista. And we're live and still alive for our Facebook page. Now, 67-66. Oh! He's still by Lapasaros. 14 to shoot. Oh! He's still by Koho. Bang! By Mondaba. It's 1 minute 11 seconds. 1 minute 11 seconds.
Kunin mo yung just get the jersey available, then take is not take. Kunin mo lahat. Nandiyan lahat.
Tracing ang anak
Oh, take ka to. Wait.
1 minute and 10. All on number 6. Penalty.
Number 6 second personal foul.
Second personal foul on number 6. 1 minute and 10 seconds. Now 67 all. 67 all. 1 minute and 10.
Nagka-excite na lang.
Now 68 to 67. 1 point lead San Beda. Now Muneva. Foul! Basket count and 1 on Muneva. Now 69-68. Foul on number 3. On Del Rosario. Third personal foul, Del Rosario.
Pwede mag-sub?
Sub, sub.
Darts! Kailangan natin ng dribbler.
1 minute and 1 second. Seventy-six.
Depensa!
Oh! In and out. Now Muneva, 50 seconds.
Pre, patay oras, pre.
Hermoso. 40 seconds.
Balik!
30 seconds. Foul. Foul on 0 on Muneva. Penalty. 32 seconds. 70 again to 68.
Muneva first.
Yung tayo sa isa. Ayun, isa. Yun yung kasunod.
69 to 70. 32 seconds. Basket timeout, rep. Basket timeout.
For the win.
Bilang, wag muna. May timeout pa tayo.
25 seconds, 25, time out! On perpetual, it's 25 seconds.
Shot clock natin, 18.
Both teams now, penalty, both teams, and penalty. 25 seconds.
Shot clock.
8. 14, reset, 14, time out tayo galing, time out. 14, reset shot clock. $25 seconds, 14 shot clock. 14 seconds shot clock, 25 seconds.
Shot clock ha, 14 seconds.
Ay, puta.
Foul. Foul on Rivera. Penalty rep. Penalty.
Biglang talo pa. Rivera, third personal foul.
Third personal foul on Rivera.
Nice one!
All? 70 all?
70 all.
70 all. Now 71, 70. Now 22 seconds. 15 seconds. Oh, time out. On San Beda, 72 against 71. 9 seconds.
Baka mo sinabi sa'yo? Pilang pero ka tayo? Ha?
Eh, tanay, dapat nabili ko. Kanang kabot na yan.
Pilang mo paon?
Kagamas na.
Yung na, ayaw, misod kayo, 900. Ang kana ang hatag lang, ang hatag yun. Yung na, misod kayo.
9 seconds, 9.
Putik na yan. Ubusin nyo na lang yung oras.
Hey, screen!
9 jersey only. 9 give jersey. 9 jersey.
Foul! Nine!
6 seconds, 6.
Dalawa, Coco. Dalawa.
6 seconds, 6.
Hermoso third personal.
Third personal foul on Hermoso. No timeout left, no timeout.
Isa lang. Overtime tayo.
6 seconds.
Oh no!
73. Yan all on overtime. 72 all. 5 minutes left, 5 minutes left.
Kasi ito na naiwan sa akin. Eh, naiwan yung jersey ko. Wala mong pumbayad. Kay 200 na lang balag.
Give him.
On?
No, the jersey only.
Well, give me 3, ha?
Yung only, kunin mo jersey mo sir. Kasi lang. How many there? No, how many?
3. Balas na lang 200. Give me 1 bigay, ha?
No, just take how many?
1, 3. This 3.
Okay, give me.
Wait. Ilan daw ang over?
5 minutes more, 5 minutes.
Ilan daw ang
Isa-isa.
Malamang.
Wala na tayo sir, isa-isa lang tayo. Wala na tayo.
First game for overtime.
Sir, 5 minutes yan, di ba?
Now go. Aldaba.
Pass.
Too strong. Tap. Rebound on Gapak. Steal by Guman. Na Aldaba. Go.
Kojo.
Air ball. Foul. Foul on Lau.
Second. Now second.
Penalty rep. Second on Lau. Penalty.
Lahat na yan penalty na.
Nice one.
Del Rosario plus 1.
4 minutes and 22 seconds. 73 against 72. 74 to 72. We have an overtime. First overtime.
Alaga. Sa shooter. Ikot. Kabila.
Gapak. Gumangan. 4 minutes. Ancheta. Steal by Deng.
Bato na!
Lau. Foul. Foul on Coho.
Dalawa.
Second personal foul on Coho. Penalty rep. Penalty. It's only 74 against 72 to our first overtime.
3 minutes. Pasok kayo. Lamang pa tayo.
Aldaba. Del Rosario. Whoa! What a move by Del Rosario. Now 76 against 72. Deng. Pinitante. Tap! May simalag. Aldaba, foul. Substitution rep, foul on Deng. Penalty rep, penalty.
Deng second.
Second personal foul on Deng.
Ba't kasi pinalitan pa yung mga player ko?
Our next game, it's Mapua versus Vitran.
Alalay, isa. Alalay tayo, alalay. Joe, alalay tayo, alalay. Sige lang, alalay, baba na.
Foul.
Petro!
Foul on number 7. Penalty ref, penalty.
Ano ba, Petro?
On Aldaba.
Aldaba,
Fourth personal foul on Aldaba. Fourth personal foul against Aldaba. Bumbangan.
Balik ka tayo.
3 minutes. Sin Rosario.
Easy. Nice one.
Lukoho. 14 to shoot.
Wait lang. Sige lang.
10. Yes, on Lozada, 74 to 76.
Pressure. Sige. Double.
Go. Ancheta.
Pasok. Baba.
Muneba. Yes.
Balik!
On Muneba, 76 all.
Balik!
76, 2 minutes. Now 2-point lead on Perpetual. Short. Rebound on Muneba.
Tatlo!
Rivera.
Ilalim pre, oh.
Short.
Lepre, ilalim mo.
Foul. Stop. Penalty rep, 78-76, 2-point lead on Perpetual. Both teams have the one timeout left.
Pre, pasok ka.
Wala ba kayo time out? Aga pa. Sige, time out na.
Pre, 1 point lang yan, oh.
78-77.
Joe.
1-point lead Perpetual.
Besto.
Aldaba.
Oh!
Joe. Apay.
Natin. Back passing.
Joe. Ibang mo.
1 minute and 16. 1 minute and 16.
Sub.
Sabrep. 30 out. Rivera out.
Labas ka, pre. Receive! Receive! 1 minute and 10 seconds. 18 shots clock, ah.
14 to shoot. 1 minute.
Nice one. Foul na lang kalaban, eh. Kaya nga.
78 to 77.
Nice one. Pre, isa pa, pre, ha.
79. And then to
Depensa tayo, ha.
77.
Depensa tayo. Balik!
80 to 77. It's 1 minute. Monema.
Resort, time out, Kuya Mike.
Bigay mo na, pre. Bigay mo na.
50 seconds.
Tawid mo lang, tawid mo, tawid mo, tawid mo.
45 seconds. 14 to shoot. 10.
Bingo.
Short.
Eh, balik!
34 seconds. 34. It's penalty rep.
Huwag na tayo
Time out. On San Beda.
Huwag na tayo mag-foul sa Tatlo lang, no? Tatlo.
Penetrante. Penetrante, second person ako.
Penalty rep. Penalty rep. $80 to 77, 3-point lead on Perpetual, 34 seconds. It's 28 to 80, 34 seconds.
Eh, wala na tayong time out, ha?
May time out ako muna. Pag pumasok, time out kami.
Time out on Perpetual. It's 80 against 79, 34 seconds.
Isa lang, ha? Tingnan nyo yung mga pasa nila sa loob, ha?
Stop. 30 seconds. 26 seconds, 26.
Direp, oras
Eh,
eh.
sure lang.
26 seconds. Both teams now, no timeout left. Both teams, no timeout.
Eh, box out, box out.
26 seconds, 26.
Sige basta. Isa lang ha, pre. Walang foul tayo ha. Eh, balik ka.
21,
Walang foul ha, walang foul.
79.
Walang sundot ha, walang sundot, walang sundot. Nice one.
15 seconds, 15.
Wala rin.
Sino nag-foul?
15 seconds.
Hoy. Depensa ha, walang foul ha, walang foul. Eh, walang foul, walang foul. Walang foul, walang foul, walang foul. Oh, kuha na dong. Bola natin, bola natin.
12 seconds, 12.
Eh, kuha lahat ang bola. Reserve lahat, reserve.
Six seconds, 6.
Ay, penalty. Sir. Ano yun? Traveling?
Come, 6 seconds, 6.
Hindi niya na kinuha eh. Walang foul, walang foul. Eh, walang foul ha. Walang foul, walang foul, walang foul. Walang foul daw. Walang foul, walang foul.
And no more overtime. Winner Perpetual.